Buttonholes can be made for all sorts of different things other than just garments. So for example, on our Pfaff Stitching Cosmos online course, I used it to show off how we can make buttonholes and weave ribbon through it. Check out the links below this YouTube video on where you can watch 10 videos for free regarding that course. Great way to expand your knowledge of your machine. Now, about buttonholes, there are 2 buttonhole feet that come with this machine. One where you can program in the length based on the measurement of your button, and then it plugs in and just does it for you. So we've done that video separately. But there is a point where this foot is not long enough. You need a buttonhole that's actually bigger. And that's why you are given 2 buttonhole feet with this machine. So 5M is the manual buttonhole foot. So let me show you how this works. We're going to go ahead and attach this foot to the machine. Notice it is not a foot that you use IDT, so make sure if it is engaged that you disengage it back here before attaching the foot. Next, usually I like to mark on my fabric how long I need to make this, and I will be starting down at the closest mark, and it will be traveling away from me. Notice on screen, when you don't have this plugged in, the buttonhole that you're choosing will have this reverse button. The reverse button is what you will use to turn it around at the point you want to stitch to. So let's just say, I'm going to just kind of wing it here. We'll just say that we're stitching up to the point of, how about right there? So to tell the machine that that's how far away you want the buttonhole to do, you touch the reverse button, and you can see that on the screen the little arrow indicates it's going to do the bar tack and then come down the other side. Now the only part here is the machine does not know where we started, so you're in control. I'm watching until my 2 legs are about even, and then touch the reverse button, and it shows that the bar tack will be stitched again. Just let it finish. The locking and the lifting is all integrated. Let's just go ahead and touch the thread snips, and now we have a buttonhole made to the length of our choosing. So if that was to be even longer, we could have had and traveled all the way back, around, and all the way back to the beginning. You being in charge of those turnaround places. So once again, buttonholes, not just for garments. You can use them for drawstring bags or something in the home dec world. There's lots of places. I bet if you just Google where you can use a buttonhole, you will find lots of inspiration, including how and where you can use with ribbon.